away from the bustle of the city, it's not so hard to understand that a quiet place in nature does you good. But why? Immersing your senses in nature increases your perceptions and connects you to your deep subconscious, to a time when humans were truly part of nature. These memories can evoke intense emotions. If you let go and allow these emotions in, you create a route for the composer to contact you. This can lead you to a spiritual experience. So, how do you commune with nature? Find a quiet space in nature, in woods, meadows, moorlands, or even a park or garden. Go alone, or with a dog or a silent friend. Stroll slowly. Listen to the sounds. Sit by the plants and observe them. Talk to them. Feel them. Lie on them. And walk gently around them in bare feet. Hug a tree. Sit under a tree. Maybe have a picnic. Relax and explore nature with all your senses. Feel oneness with nature. This can lead to inspiration and wisdom, or bliss, peace.